Hello everyone, I am Christian Alisa Pangalay. My speech is all about though platforms like TikTok exacerbate mental health issues in teens. There's growing concern about the impact of social media on teens' mental health. Studies have shown that teens who spend a lot of time on social media are more likely experience the symptoms of depressions, anxiety, and loneliness. There are a few reasons why this might be the case. First, social media can create a distorted view of reality. Teens are constantly bombarded with image of other people's perfect lives. This can make them feel like their own lives are not good enough. Second, social media can be a breeding ground for cyberbullying. Teens who are cyberbullied are more likely experience the symptoms also depressions, anxiety, and even suicidal thoughts. So what can we do about this problem? There are a few things that we can do to help protect teens' mental health. First, we can talk to teens about the danger of social media. We can help them to understand about the image they see in online are not always realistic. Okay. Second, we can encourage teens uh, to take break on social media and then spending time in nature, exercising, and spending time with friends and family and can all help to improve mental health. Finally, uh, we can we can work to create a positive online environment and we can report the cyberbullying. We can support the organizations that are working to make a social media safer for everyone. Thank you and good morning.